Explain the characteristics of the following fire detector: detectors and smoke detectors. Heat detectors and smoke detectors are both safety alarm devices that are used in residential, commercial, and industrial sector for detecting the presence of undesirable amount of heat and smoke. Both devices have a buzzer in them which will sound to caution people when there is an unsafe condition caused due to heat or smoke. Heat detector is a type of fire alarm device which gets triggered by the increase in temperature beyond certain set point or limit. A smoke detector is a type of fire alarm device which gets triggered by the presence of smoke. Question for part 2. State the characteristics of the following sprinkler system: wet type, dry type, and dialogue. Wet type fire sprinkler system is most commonly used fire sprinkler system. Dry type sprinkler system on the other hand do not have watering in the sprinkler piping. Dialogue sprinkler system are similar to the dry type sprinkler system as it does not have watering through the sprinkler piping system. Question for part 3. What is your understanding of the fire suppression system that do not use water? Fire suppression system that do not use water use a non-water based agent to put out fire. These systems are used in place where water cannot be used for extinction fire. Data center, libraries, museum, surgery room, and hospital are some examples of such places. With chemical system, and the clean reagent system are some of the waterless fire suppression system. Question 5, part 1. What are the components of risk management process? Project management body of knowledge edition published by project management. Show me component of the risk management process. Plan risk management. This is process defining how to conduct risk management activity. 2. Identify risk. This is the process of determining which risk may affect the project and documenting their characteristic. 3. Perform a qualitative risk management. This is a process of prioritizing risk for further analysis. D. Perform quantitative risk management. E. Plan risk responses. 5. Control risk. Part 2. State the step followed in chemical risk assessment. Identify the chemicals that are present and recording them in database or registers. Identify parties or stakeholders who might be affected by the chemical. Conducting quantitative and qualitative evaluation of the risk. Qualitative evaluation means prioritizing risk based on the probability and impact the further analysis. A quantitative evaluation means the process of numerical analyzing the effect of identified risk. Plan for corrective action for various incidents that may occur due to the presence of a chemical risk hazard. Review the risk assessment process and documentation periodically. 3. Explain the procedure followed in risk reduction in chemical processing plant. Implementing risk-based plan and process design. Well-documented operating procedure. Conducting chemical risk assessment, hazard and operability study. Fault tree analysis. Fire and explosion index calculation. Reliability assessment of process equipment. Area classification study to ensure electrical safety. Safety audit. Safety management system that mandates period safety training of personnel.